Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you to use your Apple Watch to actually locate your phone. Now by default, what you're going to find out is that your watch can actually ping your phone. So for example, if you are in a case where you need to find your phone, but you have misplaced it around the house or you think it's in the vicinity nearby, you can actually use the ping feature to ping your phone, and I'll show you how it works. All right, so with my device unlocked, all I gotta do is simply go ahead and I'll press the main button here. So go ahead and press the main button. All right, so press the main button here, not the crown. All right, so once you press that button, you'll be in this menu as seen here. Now you're gonna go down and right here you see this vibration feature and that phone looking icon. You're gonna go ahead and it gets very loud, so go ahead and tap. There you go. It will actually lead you to the phone. So as you can see here, it's telling me I'm close by. But let's say, for example, it was a distance. You would see it giving you warm and hot signals. And of course, you keep moving and it will keep pinging. You move towards the sound. And because I'm right beside it, that's why it checked, meaning that I'm right on top of the phone or just inches away. All right, so it will check the box to say that it's found. And of course, as you can see, you simply can tap again and it will sound the phone. You can always close or press the power button or just simply interact with the phone to indicate that you have found it. All right, and you can keep pressing the button here, and once you press the button it will sound once more. All right, so I hope you're getting the idea. So once you're finished, go ahead and close, so you can actually close this out, and that's how you find your or sound your device using your Apple Watch. All right, it's pretty easy. It's a cool way of quickly pinging your device, so it will make a piercing sound that you can use to find it, and you can use the beacon, as in find my, to actually move. It will tell you hot or cold, and as soon as those circles close in, meaning that it's found it, it will tell you that you're right on top of it or close. All right, so hope that was helpful and see you in the next one. Bye.